Brussels is the capital of Belgium. It's also known as the capital of Europe. It is the fifth largest city in Belgium. French and Dutch are spoken as Brussels is bilingual. Brussels attracts millions of tourists every year, who never stop raving about its many attractions. Because of this, Brussels is considered the most popular city in Belgium. Some interesting sites that are worth mentioning are the Royal Palace, where the former residence of the Belgian royal family was. Brussels Park, a beautiful park near the Royal Palace. The beautiful Garden of Mont des Arts. Galerie Royale Saint-Hubert, a sort of shopping center in Brussels. Brussels impresses above all with its rich culture. Since Belgium is characterized by French and Dutch influences, this also has an impact on the country's architecture. The architecture and artistic style of Brussels is really impressive, and is particularly noticeable when looking at Grand Square, which is located in the center of Brussels. It presents a very remarkable and very well-designed view of the buildings, dating from the 17th century. Centuries-old culture presents itself to the public. Thank you very much for watching.